breaches.
Where the digital hits the physical, we take the red pill, we break the seal. Infallible security, making it real. Bottom out to party on the mic tonight. Turning the darkness into light.
Our first case study shows you how a single leaky device becomes a full-blown hostage crisis. The bleed becomes a siege. In early July 2026, researchers connected a credential theft campaign nicknamed FortiBleed to two ransomware operations known as INC and Lynx. Let me walk the chain slowly because this is the anatomy of a modern attack. First, FortiBleed refers to attackers harvesting credentials, usernames and passwords that leak out of exposed Fortinet security devices sitting at the edge of a company network. These devices are supposed to be the guards at the gate. Second, those stolen credentials are valid keys, so the attackers walk in through the front doors as if they belong there. And third, that access is handed off to the ransomware crews, who then lock up the whole network and demand payment. Notice the assembly line? The people who bleed the credentials are often not the same people who detonate the ransomware. One crew harvests the raw material. Another crew buys or receives it and does the extortion. The film that captures this perfectly is Sicario. Its whole point is that violence has a supply chain, a network of specialists, handoffs, and middlemen, and the person standing at one end of the chain never sees the end game at the other end. The border agent, the driver, the financier, the enforcer, each does one job and passes the package along. FortiBleed works the same way. Your security appliance did not get hacked in one dramatic moment. It got quietly harvested, and the harvest had a buyer waiting. The red pill insight is that credential theft and ransomware used to feel like two separate problems. FortiBleed shows they are now one integrated pipeline. That flaw at your perimeter is not the attack itself. It is the raw material, sold or handed to the crew that actually pulls the trigger. The device you trusted to guard the gate became the thing that quietly copied the keys. And
This is bites, borders, and breaches.
The signal is loud, the lesson it teaches. Infallible security, standing the guard. The truth is heavy, the truth is hard.